You can also go around and generate out visuals while you're on the working space inside of Microsoft Designer. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you need to go around onto visual section right here, and over here on the top you can see that generate is an option, and you can see that it says try an example over here. So what you need to do is you need to go around and type in an image that you want to create. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say computer drawing right here with let's say, for example, tree wallpaper in it right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and click on next right here, and let's see what it generates. So it uses DALL-E image maker in order to actually make out the image right here. So this can be done while you're starting as well, and over here you can see that this is what you have right here. So computer drawing with tree wallpaper, and now you can see that there's this computer right here with tree wallpaper just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here onto visuals right here, and then this is what you have right here, a generated image that you can use for your design. And that is how you can generate out visuals while you're on the main editing area inside of Microsoft Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.